Hi y'all, today we're going to be doing the Gel X Hailey Bieber nails. We're going to start off with pushing the cuticle off her nail bed just to make sure the nails stick longer. And I'm going to go ahead and buff her nails and make sure there's no shine on her nails just to make sure the nails last the full 3 weeks. I'm going to go ahead and just clip her nails, get them all nice and cleaned up. And then we're gonna go ahead and fit the nail on her nail bed. You wanna make sure that the nail fits from sidewall to sidewall. As you can see, is it fitting from one side to the other side? That's how you know what size nail to use. Then we're gonna go ahead and prime her nails. We're gonna use a dehydrator just to make sure her nails are nice and dehydrated. We're gonna etch the inside of the nail to allow for better adhesion. So you can see that. Then we're gonna add the primer. This is just gonna make her nails a little bit sticky. That way the gel nail really sticks on. And then we're gonna add our A-Press Gel X glue to the inside of the nail, and we're gonna add a little bit extra to the edge. And then you'll see we're gonna apply the nail at a 45-degree angle, and that glue should disperse evenly across her nail with no air bubbles. There you see, applying at an angle and just kind of pushing down. And then we're gonna cure that under a LED UV light. And there you see, it's cured. And I'm gonna give you guys one more view of that. Very carefully, just go ahead and place it down and push that glue down and cure it. All right, and those are her nails with the Gel X on. And from here, we can go ahead and buff her nails just to make sure the gel paint that we're gonna use really sticks. There are her nails buffed. And we're gonna just kind of file down that cuticle part just so there's not as much lifting. All right, and after they're painted this like pearly white, we're gonna go ahead and add a top coat, and then we're gonna add the chrome on top of that, and add one more top coat after you've applied the chrome. And this is the final result. So this is how you use Gel X to get the Hailey Bieber chrome nails. And here are the nails out in the sun. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.